Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am cooking something I have not cooked on the channel before. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. This is what I'm cooking. And actually, I'm wrong. I'm not cooking this. This one is cooking it. My mum is visiting and I have picked up some lovely recipes that she's going to make. Ones that I haven't cooked and ones that she makes, obviously better than me. So, आप इसको क्या बोलते हो? I'm just going to translate.
मुनगा.
So we call it munga.
इंडिया में मुनगा.
Some people call it moringa. Some people call it murungi. They are normally called drumsticks. And there are lots of ways to cook it. आपने कैसे कैसे खाया है पहले? मैंने तो दाल के साथ खाया.
हम लोग इसको आलू टमाटर प्याज की ग्रेवी बना के उसके साथ में इसको डाल के फिर बनाते हैं. लोग दाल में खाते हैं, कढ़ी में खाते हैं, चिकन में खाते हैं.
So basically you got the dal, chicken, curry. These are used with all those things, but she makes them with potatoes. So that's how I remember growing up eating them. And basically it comes from not a small plant. It comes from big trees and like bigger than mango trees, and they're like just hanging off the trees. Like this, they're just hanging on. Yeah, I remember seeing them growing up. हमारे आसपास भी होते थे.
सामने दीवार के उस तरफ दो पेड़ लगे थे इतने
बड़े-बड़े. Exactly. And that's what I remember. Basically, our neighbors used to have them, have these trees. Okay, enough talking. Let's get cooking. Chalo. So we are going to cut it into like 2 to 3 inches big pieces. And what is important is to take off all the lacy fibrous stuff, otherwise you won't be able to chew it. Anyways, the outer part is not eaten. We'll tell you all that in a minute, but that's how you're going to prep it. Just take off all the fiber from the outside because it's super hard. The outer bit is super hard. So yep, just chop them up into small pieces, and this is what you need to do. And you'll always be able to get hold of these. I have always seen them in my local Asian shop, and it's a really small one. So if they have it, then I'm very sure that other shops will have it too. So this it's not very difficult to get hold of these. And while she's still prepping the last few, I'm gonna just roughly chop 2 onions. So nice hot pan. And kitna tel dal? 2-3? 2 to 3 tablespoon. Sorry, I'm just going to be speaking to her in Hindi, but I will translate everything, I promise. So 2 to 3 tablespoon of sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, or any oil of your choice. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, let them sizzle. Yes? And then in goes the onion. Kab tak cook karna?
बस थोड़ा सा पिंक हो जाए, एक आध लहसुन की तुरी भी डाल दो.
So just until lightly golden. So I'm going to give it 5 minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm just going to prep finely chop 4 garlic cloves. I'm going to actually grate it directly into the onions. Save me a step. Just going to chop up 2 tomatoes. Once they're lightly golden, I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. Kitty there, 5 minutes? 5 minutes. And I'm just going to peel and chop 2 potatoes. So look, the tomatoes have mashed up really nicely. Time to add the spices. So a teaspoon of salt. I know it seems too much, but we are going to add a lot more stuff to this. A teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and chili to taste. I'm using half a teaspoon. What next?
नेक्स्ट इसमें आलू डालेंगे.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा रोस्ट करेंगे.
Okay.
ये ड्रम स्टिक्स डालेंगे, ये भी थोड़ी सी रोस्ट करेंगे.
Okay.
फिर पानी डाल देंगे.
So She's going to try and dry roast them, so just get a little bit of color and a bit of roasting into the potatoes. So 2 minutes. And now time for drumsticks, munga. And then again roast this, kind of cook this for 2 minutes. We are doing all of this on medium heat. So I've got 300 ml of boiling water gone in. Or pani chahiye?
हाँ, और पानी चाहिए।
How long? 10 minutes? 15 minutes?
10 minutes, जब तक आलू नहीं गल जाए और ये नहीं गल जाए।
So we need to cook this for 10 minutes or 15 minutes till the potatoes are done. So I'm going to check it in 10 minutes and I'm just going to give her the cover. So my timer has just gone off for 10 minutes. I just want to check how the potatoes are coming along. Yep, they need another 10 minutes and the drumsticks are cooking along very nicely. Lovely. Give it another 10 minutes, total of 20. So it has been another 10 minutes. Oh wow, they've become fluffy. Mote mote ho gaye, phool ke. They've like puffed up, juicy, yes. They've soaked all the gravy. Oh, perfect. But it smells really good. So it's time to taste test. Not taste test, but taste it. I'm just really excited about these drumsticks. मैंने इसको कम से कम जब से हम यहाँ आए तब से नहीं खाया, तो 20 साल हो गए. 20 years I haven't had this vegetable.
देखो कैसा बना है.
So what you do is you don't eat the whole thing. You just suck and take out the beans inside. So delicious. So you just
juicy है, बहुत tasty.
So you're basically eating the filling.
ये अच्छे हैं ना, मोटे मोटे हैं इसलिए बहुत टेस्टी हैं.
बहुत स्वाद है. You know what? This will go really well with rice. Rice के साथ सबसे जमे. रोटी के साथ भी खा सकते हैं, but rice would be best. So I'll show you actually. Here. So here are the beans inside this. Look at that. That's the bean inside. So they're nice and fluffy. All you got to do is there. That's the insides of the. So you don't eat the skin because it's chewy, it's hard, it's not edible. And that is so delicious. And you have to eat it by hand. I'm going to make a nice big pot of rice and enjoy it. Oh, बहुत स्वाद है. बहुत ही स्वाद है.
बनाना भी कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. Easy है.
So easy to make. And here it is, munga aloo curry. है ना? Munga, sorry, not munga. Munga aloo curry or drumstick curry. It's really healthy. Drumsticks तो बहुत healthy
पेट
हैं.
के लिए अच्छे होते हैं.
Good for the stomach. I really hope that you'll enjoy this brand new vegetable. And if you want to see my mum cook anything specific, you need to hurry up and let me know straight away in the comments. And we will get cooking and get that recipe over to you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now. That's the birds chirping.
Bye.